Setting up a new project with a floor plan. Let's begin by creating clean slate, uploading your floor plan, and setting up your project on the web interface. Okay, let's get straight into it. So this is a video where we're going to explain how to add a new building for a building audit, a building performance audit, or just a general audit. Okay, firstly, you input the building name. Then you put the street address. All right, residential, we'll make this one a residential project. You can also add in the surface area calculations for the building. So volume might be, let's call it 300. You might calculate these straight off a floor plan. Target leakage rate, site elevation, surface area of the floor plan, 150. Wall surface area, so that's facades. Door surface areas, window surface areas. We'll call the ceiling the same as the floor area. Permeability rate, or ACH, might be a target for the building. You basically then click on save and create the floor plan. From here you can select a PDF, and you can have multiple floor plans potentially. One way that you can see what the floor plans are called, you can use the magnifying icon and move around your mouse on the floor plans to get an understanding of what level the floor plans might be. In this particular case, we're only interested in the number 1 floor plan, which is that one. And then we add the name of whether it's ground or first floor. You can put some comments in there. You can dedicate it to a position. And that's it. Save the floor plan. Go back. And that project will now be available to be seen on the actual app, whether it be Android or iOS. Let's get started with Envelope IR, capturing performance issues, guiding remediation, and keeping projects on track with fast, reliable reporting.